Terracon has been working with FastEPC mainly from a geotechnical engineering standpoint. At Terracon, we embrace innovation, and we see FastEPC as a very innovative company. And what we bring to the table is our soil knowledge around the country.
Our piles are designed for tough soils. Our sweet spot is wet, sandy soils. Our sweet spot, an area of expertise in terms of where we execute the best, is in remote areas.
When you do 7 years of full-scale load testing with the Joya Gray, Terracon, Frost in 7 different states, and you have your own software and you run thousands of finite elements, when you put it all together, we're proven. We've done it. It's second nature to us.
And what Fast is bringing to the table here is a quick installation that does not have the environmental impact that concrete and steel and caissons and dump trucks and 1,000 guys on site.
Our clients will want to consider FastEPC if they're looking for speed of construction, innovation, low environmental impact.
In its simplest form, FastEPC's foundation is a pipe that's driven into the ground. You drive it in and it's done.
Push it in the ground quickly and be able to put the load on the pile fast.
We arrive with our piles, which are lighter, and they're in the ground faster, ready for structures quicker.
The industry has changed from a completely cost-concerned industry to a schedule-driven industry. And what Fast is bringing to the table here is new thinking with the sustainability aspects that everybody's looking for. You're doing what's been done before for a lot less money and a lot less time.